It's fantastic to see the work that they do across the city. We've actually partnered with them as part of our Willows High School build here in Cardiff on many different initiatives. And it's great to see them continue that support for young people in the different areas of the city that they're working in.
What I'm hoping for, just to learn about what things are being implemented over the next few years, what opportunities are available for the wider community, and also just to learn about new partnerships which we can create.
In terms of what I've seen so far, I've seen a great commitment from Caerdydd Youth Service for the next 5 years, implementing a new strategy which I think is going to be very successful, and my thought is just what I said. I think that it's going to be a great success. I cannot wait for the amount of opportunities that will come out of there for young people around Cardiff.
I mean, since it's still 2031, there's 5 years of just new things being implemented. I'm excited to see like the new what new funding will do or new activities will bring, and I feel like it will be a great chance for all young people.
I think generally the benefits of youth work, as from a young person's perspective, has been honestly the confidence that it's given me. I would never have stepped outside my comfort zone this much if it worked for the youth service. The opportunities I've been given have been incredible, so I can never thank the youth service enough for that.
The key message from today is, I've heard a lot of people say, is follow what you want to do and follow your dreams, and I'm sure you will achieve that goal.
I have seen the launch of the Cardiff Youth Service's new strategy, and lots of young leaders presenting the strategy and talking about all the opportunities that they have had.
I'm excited to see what the next 5 years bring in terms of those priorities and how they actually play out with those young people at the centre.
I think the benefits of youth work are giving equal opportunities out to young people, getting disadvantaged kids and marginalised communities out there having the access to the same things that kids that are more well off do.
Key messages is that Cardiff Youth Service is here for young people all across the city, and that anyone can be part of it. You have to know the opportunities there to take up that opportunity, and we can see lots of that today from the young people who've spoken, from Fran, from Cassidy. It's about letting young people know that Cardiff Youth Service is there for them, and I think this strategy will do that.
Our VRs need to stay relevant, need to stay engaging, and need to stay young person focused, looking at the issues that directly affect them.
I would say in my role, so just to continue like doing the youth support worker role, which is like going into schools, also making projects, so continuing book clubs, so young people can use like an expressive medium to just express how they're feeling and stuff, and yeah, just being around people like other professionals and yeah, stuff like that really.
The way in which I think people and me myself can support Caerdydd Youth Service with the strategy is by just getting involved, trying to help spread the message, spread the word, so that people and also organisations around can see what Caerdydd Youth Service is doing around Cardiff for young people and want to feel incentivised to take part and really make a contribution to this movement.
I think I can support the strategy and making it a success by promoting the youth service to all my friends and letting people know about how the opportunities have actually benefited me as a person.
I think the event was great, really exciting and amazing seeing everyone come together.
The whole event's been amazing, you know, see all these different types of young people and youth workers come together. I've seen youth workers, young people I've never seen before, and they've had all these connections with youth workers that I know, you know, and it shows a whole different spectrum of youth work and how it has affected everybody, you know, everyone's personal like experiences, you know, you don't really see that in like your day-to-day life.